Hello guys, I am Adik and in this video we'll learn how to make a police siren using the smoke code ID. Let's start making the circuit. We'll require our old circuit of sound from the previous project, two LEDs, two resistors of the bands brown, black, brown as shown on the screen, and two female to male jumper wires. Take the LED such that the taller leg is on our left and take another LED and connect it on the breadboard just the same way. We'll now take the resistors. We'll fold it so that it's easy for us to connect them on the breadboard. And we'll connect one end of the resistor to the right leg of the LED and the other end on the negative line of the breadboard. Similarly, we'll connect the second resistor to our second LED to its right leg and the other end of the resistor going to the negative line of the breadboard. We'll now take a jumper wire and connect the LED's left leg to pin number 2 of the Smoboard Think Mini and the second LED's left leg to pin number 4 of Smoboard Think Mini. Let's connect the circuit to the USB. Let's launch the smoke code ID to code for our project. Let's create a new project in the smoke code ID for police siren. Create project. The project is created. We'll get a list of nodes on the left of our ID on the palette. We'll pick the on interval node and first write the code for the blinking of LEDs for the police siren. So on interval of 0.2 seconds, we'll do a pin write on the first LED which is on pin number 2 and we'll turn it on. So our LED turns on, our first LED turns on, and on the side we'll turn off the second LED. Which is on pin number 4 and we'll turn it off. Now we'll connect a delay node in between of a period equal to 0.1 second. Now we'll again pick a pin right node and turn off our pin number 2 LED. Now we'll pick another pin right node to turn on the LED on pin number 4, which is our second LED. Introduce a delay again at the end of the flow. We'll start connecting the flow. And the end delay should be of value 0.1 seconds. We'll again recheck. We'll turn on the LED 1, turn off the LED 2, and after a delay of 0.1 seconds, we'll turn off the first LED and turn on the second LED. And again a delay after that. This will get our code to blink the LEDs in the fashion the police siren works. Now pick another on interval node and take the sound node from the output category and connect it with the on interval node. Keep the interval as 0.8 seconds. Now open the sound properties and click on the pencil icon. Make the output pin number as 21 and click add and set the tone at 850 Hz. Click done and our configuration for this sound node is done. Now get a delay node from the palette and connect it after the sound node with the delay of 0.4 seconds. Again get a sound node and set the sound. We'll first connect it with the delay node and we'll set the sound to 950 Hz. These are the two sounds which are made by police sirens, 950 Hz and 850 Hz sounds. And at the end we'll introduce a delay node with the delay 0.4 seconds. Now the above code will blink the LEDs on the side and the below code will run our siren's sound, which will first be a sound of 850 Hz for a period of 0.4 seconds and 950 Hz for a period of 0.4 seconds again. And the cycle goes on repeating. We have done our code. Let's save the code and try verifying. There are no errors. Let's try uploading the code. It will ask us to press the boot button for a while. The code is uploaded and we can see the sound of the siren has started with the LEDs blinking. That's all for this project, guys. For more details and explanation, check the website documentation link in the video description. Hope you guys liked the video. See you in the next project.